3.
Hi, I'm Barb from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Do you like zippers, Kyle?
Love, love, love them.
You do?
I do.
I thought you'd say no. I love zippers.
You've made it so they're not so scary.
Well, I love zippers. It doesn't matter. I just love zippers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but when you're putting them in, sometimes you think, okay, I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to pin it. Okay?
Oh.
Because you want that zipper to line up, right?
Yes.
And so you're kind of putting it in there. Not only that, you've got to put this fabric on top.
Yep.
And pin that. What if I told you there was an easier way to put a zipper in?
I would love you forever.
Would you? Okay.
Even more.
All right, we have this product right here called the double-sided zipper tape.
Oh,
well, it's not zipper tape. I call it zipper tape.
Because that's
it's
what you use it.
double-sided adhesive tape.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to put this.
I've never seen this used.
Haven't you really?
No.
When you're serging especially. Sewing I don't use it as much because you can use pins, but in a serger you can't use pins. All right, I've got my tape on there. See that?
Oh.
And now I'm going to peel the backing off. And I have tape down there.
Okay.
All right, now I can line up my zipper.
And you leave that in?
Leave it in. Line up my zipper. No pins.
That's awesome.
Isn't that great? Now I can go sew that down and I don't have to worry about it. On this layer, I can put another layer of tape
You
down.
could?
I could. Or I could use pins on this point. But into serger, I would always use the tape. Always.
That's awesome. And it doesn't make any difference
It doesn't.
That's amazing.
It works to position before you sew.
Nice.
Okay, thank you.